I bet you didn't expect a heat wave and fire risk back to back. Bay Area weather is about to go wild. Let's break it down. Starting Monday, temperatures will soar, 5 to 15 degrees above normal. That means 90s inland, and even San Francisco could hit 90. A moderate heat risk advisory is in effect, so drink water, wear light clothes, and limit outdoor time if you're at risk. By Thursday things cool off, but don't relax yet. There's a 15% chance of dry lightning this weekend, raising fire concerns. Stay alert, follow updates, and take care of each other, Bay Area.